Mintrax KYC mess. Too much problem about KYC. They ask for payment, and this is not our deal. So right now I can speak with you about Mintrax, but after the intro. Wait us. Hello guys, good evening, good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime in our channel TechZone. For Leute Deutschland herzlich willkommen, for Italian Bienvenuti, for French enchanté, for Spanish Hola. Today we're gonna speak about Minatrix, and the Minatrix you have to know that start to charge the KYC, and first they ask about 25 MTX, and later on they ask about 70 coin from MTX. For a while, first the KYC was free. Right now they start to make a recharge price for KYC. All you have to know, we not support this kind of project because first it's low quality. Second thing, I not able to pay $5 for KYC, for which I not have any coin right now until now, and there is no price for Minatrix. They just make a website and start to say we recharge it, and we make a price for MTX and not even in any platform exchange. So on X you will find them announcement, and it's too much blah 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 and bullshit, nothing new, and they not like to give a good answer about covering the KYC. So in the past, if you know, you can, if you pass KYC, you can easily go to token swap and start to uh, swap between coin. As you see here, it's bus mining and wait, it's token swap. Yes, and as you see here, you will receive and they take 1% as a fee, but it's require KYC. So when we make KYC, they start to tell us uh, payment requirement and start from 25 to 70 MTX. So it's nothing. In German we can say Schlawiner, so not a problem at all. Uh, we will not support Minitrix anymore. Too much people start to do that, and we also do that. So because there is no really actually a price in platform for MTX coin, even they not listed. So how come I will pay from them, buy them price, and when I collect uh, Minatrix coin and it's very low base rate of mining, it's very low. In 31 days I collect only 70 coin, so it's very low. That's meaning to do KYC I need to wait 1 month. Even no one can buy from me them coin. So for now, that's all. If you have any questions, just ask us in Telegram group. Don't forget to make like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.